Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be learning how you can enable your video camera and microphone in Canva. If you want to record a voiceover for the video you created or present yourself directly in Canva, this video will be really helpful for you. So let's dive in. As you can see, maybe this is my vlog and I want to add myself speaking or add a voiceover to this clip. Here's what you need to do. Look to the right and you can see this option. Click on it and go to the See All section. Click on it, and then you'll see options like Present and Record. You have to select this one. After that, it will say, Go to the recording studio. Click on it. Then you'll see a link. Click on this to customize your recording settings. There are options available. One for the camera. If you click on it, it tries to use your webcam. Right now, I don't have a webcam, so that's why it isn't recording, but there's also a microphone option. If you enable it, then you'll see it's enabled. Since I don't have a webcam at the moment, it's not showing the webcam, but my microphone is enabled right now. If you just click on Start Recording, it will begin recording. Alright, so in this way, you can easily add your voiceover and your face video as well, while explaining or presenting something. This will be very helpful, and Canva is a great site for beginners to handle all their design needs and simple tasks. It makes things very easy for beginners, from social media design to recording. After recording, you can edit your video in the timeline as well, and once you're finished, just download your video. So, yeah, that was a simple way to enable your microphone and camera in Canva. If you have any questions about Canva, feel free to comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you. Subscribe for more tutorials and see you in the next video.